Four C's got a plane. It looked like two eyeballs right there. Thought it was something, but no, it's just tachometers, it looked like. Yeah. Gauges. Beautiful boxer right here. Say it again. This is real old school. What you guys know about this? Like, comment, and subscribe. You gotta like, comment on this one. I haven't seen one of these. This is like something different. Got the toggle. This is something different right here. Single Raleigh brother type of business. With the Bonanza. This is going in this. Fabrication is a must, because it's not supposed to go in there.